The P0108 code indicates a high input voltage in the manifold absolute pressure or MAP sensor circuit. So, what does this mean? The MAP sensor is critical. It measures air pressure inside the intake manifold. This helps the computer calculate the amount of air entering the engine and adjust fuel injection accordingly. A high voltage means the computer is receiving a signal that the pressure is extremely high, or that there is an electrical problem in the sensor circuit. The most common symptoms are an illuminated check engine light. You may also notice a rough idle, poor acceleration or hesitation, increased fuel consumption, and in some cases the engine may stall. If the P0108 appears, the first thing to do is check the code with an OBD2 scanner. The most common cause is a faulty MAP sensor. Visually inspect the sensor and its connector for damage, corrosion, or loose connections. It's also crucial to inspect the sensor wiring. A shorted wire to positive or a poor connection can be the culprits of the high voltage. Make sure there are no obstructions in the vacuum line leading to the MAP sensor, if equipped, or that the PCV valve is not stuck closed, which could cause excessive pressure. An incorrect MAP sensor reading can lead to an improper fuel mixture, resulting in higher fuel consumption, damage to the catalytic converter due to inefficient combustion, and ultimately, premature engine wear.